What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Hitting up a mall, because I haven't hit up retail stores in a while. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go see what's up. Dude got the Northridge Mall. I think it's the Northridge Fashion Square or something. I don't know. All right. Oh, Northridge Fashion Center. All right, let's go. Customization store has closed. Guess not everybody wants to customize their shoe like that. Damn, midweek. Quite a few people at this mall. All right, got 50 minutes. Let's go, starting at JD Sports. Shout out to the homie LJ who said what's up, We're gonna check the front right here. It is loud as hell. Got men's sizes. I know everybody has one of these by now, but dude got men's sizes here. Okay. Dude got the last shot section, last chance section right here. I was talking so loud and then the music stopped right there. That was kind of funny. But yeah, dude got these bad boys on sale, $30 off. Hopefully these Air More Up Tempos do go on sale some more, because I do love these going on sale. They're not great for wide footers because it's really stiff with all this, like all the stiff leather. There's like four layers of leather right there. So that's why I didn't wear it today, because I did go to work, because I do need to wear these. I like them a lot. These also on sale, kind of like a Chicago colorway right there. I think this is one of the better colorways that recently released. These are pretty fire right here. $170 though. Those are on sale for $140. I just checked the inside, normally $175. Now look at this. Almost half price. It's almost half price. All right, and then we're checking that last chance aisle. Got some sales. What is that? $75 off. $75 off. Got some Air Max 97s. Decent sale, nothing too crazy. Not as cheap as the outlets quite yet. These are also $150. Seeing this colorway quite often. Jordan 37. This is pretty much the same as the Nike outlet prices right here, $100. Most Nike outlets have had them for 100. Clearance centers had them for what, $80 I think. LeBron Witness 7s. Okay, little discount. I have one of the older ones, the 6s right here. When dude got some of these bad boys, a Harden Volume 6 is only $20 off. The Dame Certified, if you need basketball sneakers, look at this, $40. $40 for a basketball signature. Obviously it's a budget one, but still that's a hell of a deal. The Jordan section right here do have a great selection right here. They got the Laney 14s, they got the Toro Bravo 6s, handcrafted, or the crafted 5s, playoff 13s. Nothing on sale, but they do have a great selection. And got a bunch of mids, lows right here. Got all kind. Oh my goodness, got ones, got dunk highs, got a ton of stuff. One of the newer colorways. This is like the dunk low. This is the trout or something. All right, I think they have two different colorways of these, right? The rainbow trout. So, great Air Max session, but music's loud as hell, man. All right, let's go. Next shop. Dude got a Champs. All right, let's go. Kyrie's not being sold by Nike anymore, but not that much of a sale here. Got a slight sale. That goes the same for the lows right here. Got the Zion's on sale right here, not too bad. Camo colorway, this is a brand new one. I don't think I've seen this. Not brand new, but new enough for me not to have seen it before. I've been hitting up the outlets a ton. Damn, this Kyrie's not even on sale at all. What the hell? Really? Damn. Cosmic Unity 2s on sale. The 3s have come out now. Dude got the Gill Zeros. And this is interesting. This is a place where I got this colorway. I did get it for, I think, $80, and I think I used a survey coupon for $10 off. I'm surprised these are still here. This is a dope colorway. Maybe I'll wear that tonight when I go out. Going to the Comedy Store later. Donovan Mitchell's. Those are issue 3s. Got a couple of them on sale. $60. $60, not bad. The Hardens. Like, I think these Harden Volume 6s look pretty decent. I don't think they look bad at all. And then all the Mellow 2s, MB2s on sale, which is freaking crazy, because remember how crazy it was for the first ones. You got the Rick and Morty one right here. Interesting that the ones still aren't on sale, but this one is on sale, but not the, I don't know. It's interesting, but yeah, I got plenty of MB2s. I got the MB2 slides as well. People got his own slides. Man, they giving him the royal treatment, man. On the backside right here, they do have the Gill Zeros. This is a USA color right here, also on sale. And multiple Kobe's, aka the crazy ones. But I still know these as the KB ones from way back when. All right, this is the Adidas section. I don't see no forums. I don't see nothing. Oh, there have a couple forums over here. Just these. But these are the ones with the whatever leather on them. I don't know. They're all on sale though. They're all on sale. Pretty much everything's on sale. Air Max 90s. Got a ton of different colorways. None of them like stand out that much, to be really honest. Maybe that's why. This one has a lettering on the bubble, which you don't see too often. Then got the Terra Escape ones. We've seen that a million times. One Air Max 95 no exception. Both on sale. Price is kind of high though. We've seen these for like $100 at the outlets lately. And the Air Max 97s too. A lot of it going for retail. We've seen a lot of it on sale. We've seen a bunch of these on sale at the outlets, right? It's like a neon color. Looks like the neon colorway. Similar to the Air Max 95. This one's fire, dude. I really like this one. This one stands out. Definitely paying $175 for them, but that is fire though. It's fire. Air Max Plus. Super, super cheap. Well, cheap compared to the original price. Original price like $175. I never was a big fan of these, but they really came out with a ton of colorways the past couple of years. So yeah, so they're chilling, dude. Chilling because sneaker market is down. Do got the Toro Bravo 6s, but to be really honest, I'm trying to find these on sale. But this is, damn, this is it's a big size. Big size. Okay. All right. Actually, I did find my size at the outlets. I still didn't buy those. Just too much red for me. But yeah, do got Jordans, 37s, outlet prices right there. And then yeah, were these on sale on the website? I forgot to check, dude. I do got these. These are going for regular price, $160. Remember, I told you some places got them for $160, some places got them for $140. This is one of the places I do got them for $160. You got another Iverson right here going for regular price, and then got these Omnis going for regular price. I got mine for like $50. I think I wore those yesterday to work. Man, you know I gotta check this out. 70% off. Is this a Durant? Oh, it's a Sean Kemp jersey. So 70% off. $130. 70%. Oh, this is an XL, man. Holy cow, that is fire. That is fire. This is my size, maybe. You know, especially since the Sonics don't exist anymore. Like, I like that. They are the Thunder, technically. But 70% off, $130. So what is that? Like $39? $39, I believe. Damn, that is fire. They got these Laker shorts. These are $125. Holy cow. This is a double XL though, $125. So that's what, $37.50 or something like that. Got a couple of those. And then got the Bel Air Academy shorts. Damn, that's pretty fire. That is fire. I can't believe they got this for that cheap. For $39, man. That is fire. That's fire. I know plenty of y'all have been finding jerseys at the, where is it, at Burlington and stuff. Man, I haven't had a chance to stop by. Take care. Man, I need to go to Burlington and try to see if I can find some. All right, let's go to the next spot. Was gonna take the escalator up, but man, they got like some police action over there that got like the real cops instead of the rental cops. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna have to find another way to get up there. All right, only got 20 minutes left. Got a Foot Locker. Let's go. It's usually not good when they have stuff like this in the displays. Really? Some Crocs? Really though? All right, I guess starting tomorrow we're going back to the Nike outlets. Gonna do a bunch of Nike outlet visits. Do you got these? Zion 1s going for $80. That's what's up. If you do get the Zions, make sure you guys go a half size up at least. Maybe even a full size up, because these do run hella tight. I have the 1s and the 2s. 11.5, size 13, go for $80. And then they do got the Kyrie's on here, normally $120 down to $80. Kyrie lows right here, size 11.5 and 13 again. Everything else pretty weak, dude. I'm not gonna lie, pretty weak. I forgot about the 70% off thing. The Champs had 70% off, so I had to look. Nothing really dope here. Nothing really dope. That's the only 70% off rack they have. So they have these on the sale section, but these are actually cheaper. Like, I don't know, that doesn't really make any sense. And do got the LeBron Christmas colorway on sale. Okay. What, 50 bucks off of these? $60 off of these, okay. But this is only LeBron on sale though. What's up with that? Like these are pretty fire. The leather was better. Maybe if this was some sort of tumbled leather that doesn't crease so bad. Like colorway is fire, dude. Look at the colorway on that. $110. For that, I'd so much rather wear these than the regular all white Air Forces. Like if they use this material on it, it'd be so much better. Like this material is not even that much better, but texture a little better, a little bit better. Dude got some Prestos on sale. 50 bucks, that's actually a solid price, dude. 50 bucks. Got these on sale as well. Some Hirachis. Got what, 4 different Hirachis. That's a white one, and then oh, this has blue in the back, so they are slightly different. All on sale. Got Dunks. Regular retail, not too shabby. Not too shabby, and then they do got the 14s right here. Got 7s. 7 citrus 7s. And then got these lows right here. Okay, got some suede on it. Too bad this part still sucks, but the suede a little bit nicer, size 11. This is $120. They got the mid version of that. These don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. See, this is why even at the same mall, you still need to shop around. Look at this, $160 over there, and then yeah, $120 here. Okay, I just wanted a little cheaper, but I will definitely find one of those eventually for me. I don't know, but yeah, I do got these as well. I like these too. Patent leather. I usually don't like too much patent leather, but that's fine. Dude got some RSX on sale. This is the one that's like cloth material up front. Definitely interesting. Another one there going for 40 bucks, as well as this is the OG color. I think this is one of the original colorways that came out. But yeah, these are normally what? I don't know. The normal price for these is what, 80 bucks, something like that, down to 40. You got some Vans on sale. Oh, these are some other Pumas. Some Vans on sale. Got some old schools right there. Skate highs. Okay, got the Stranger Things collab right here. These originally were $120, and then a couple more skate lows on sale. I think that's about it, dude. All right, Duke got about 10 minutes left. I do not want to walk all the way the hell over there to the shoe house. I think I'm gonna cut it short because my back is killing me. All right, that's pretty much about it. All right, man. I was talking about y'all finding jerseys at Burlington. Just gotta do it. Gotta stop by. Probably the worst time to stop by, because it is almost the evening or almost nighttime. We still gotta go. We still gotta try. Oh snap, I see jerseys. Oh, not really. Not really. Oh man, these are all $10. This is the only stuff I find, but I come at random times. I come at awful times. Dry fit, kind of a generic dry fit t-shirt over 13 bucks. Yeah, 13 bucks. Do I see any over here though? I don't think so. Nope, just got this t-shirt right here. So is this a jersey or is it a t-shirt? $13 for Wilson t-shirt. I guess it's technically a jersey. Another one right here, just a super low-end jersey going for 13 bucks. Man, I need to go at better times. My bad, I was working, man. And of course, y'all finding Mitchell and S shorts. None of that here, just this lower end and hella dirty shorts right here, Lakers shorts. This isn't too bad, you know, but normally 40 down to 13, supposedly. Nobody paying no $40 for that. But yeah, nothing dope here. No Mitchell and S gear. Of course, I'll salvage this by finding something dope in the sneaker section, right? Let's find out. The Vans Low, what are these called? The Lowlands? I have a pair of these. These are actually really nice. $37, size 10.5. These are normally like 70 bucks. Actually, they're like 90 now. They increased the price like crazy. That's not too shabby. Got Fila's on clearance. Ain't nobody looking for those. Ooh, Vans. They got some decent Vans with the skate lows right here. Okay, 30 bucks. Got some Chucks going for 35, but apparently it's not a Chuck. Romas, if you need to stop traffic. $25. Some 10s. Or some Shacks. Some Shacks. I just saw someone post these on Instagram. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Smaller sizes, even less. Oh my goodness. Oh, do you got Raider slides? Raider slides going for 15 bucks. Do you got these? Should I just grab these? I'll grab these. I don't know. These might come in handy. They have several pairs of 9s. So that's kind of dope. Yeah, it's only freaking 15 bucks. Someone will want them. Grabbing 2 of the size 9s. Not really seeing much else. This is the bigger sizes right here. Do see some Jamal Mashburns right here. If you're old like me, the Jamal Mashburns, these are fire, dude. When he came out, man, he was dope, dude. He's the one out of Kentucky, right? He was out of Kentucky. He was fire. But that's about it, dude. That's about it. At least I found something. 30 bucks for 2 of these slides. Gonna give these to somebody. That's it, man. All right, did grab these for 15 bucks a piece, 30 bucks, and then grab the little snack. That's some wafer snacks, I guess.